Ghana de Shema is Mama Kwaba Eba Ghana's #1 television station CTV. Aha ena yetenasia ye kan sema ebe Ghana akoninim enso eba Ghana fa ne tuma pefra. Paimuka segment ena eduru so no eho. Ena mene abedwafo etenase na ye discuss political issues ensema ekoso ewo Ghana. Ena no pay Ora Chris Dugan. A member of the NDC communications team, so ena Isaac Obeng, a member of the MPP communications team. So I'm ranting you know I think the last week, Michelle Mo Accra FM, it was citizen show. So my same Michelle Mo, Ahasi. Gentlemen, good morning.
Good morning.
Isaac, my member of Kwaba. Now, what is saying?
Yankopon ede achem na mijidi se ohun so ho ye.
Oh, nyame adom, me holding. Chris, then I go so.
Na ekoso dada no.
Eno ne dey.
Se na ewom.
Se mi nim. Wona wo kasa dada no ye den.
Se na krokai ni man.
No krokai ni man no. Wana nka no kra no.
Oh na wo.
Wana nka no kra.
Situation. No, you can see it all over. System and krokai niveau. People, you know, hiding behind laws, doing whatever they like.
Okay.
Yeah, drew Pennsylvania institutions. I say, we are independent, and they are not taking rewards from the good work they have done for the president of the day and his political party.
Okay. Well, later on, and Omampenyin and Ado Danko Akufo-Addo at the State of the Nation's address, ever back Parliament. Near among our friends, Sona, our Parliament, 1 p.m. And I said you made it never back our Parliament. CTV, the cameras back where you be channel live, Abro, in Tayama, Wofidino, and Wahasi. Nemum, in Yama Bang, and I train him say, Ebe PMO, about the State of the Nation's address. What is the state of the nation? Ghana. On my analysis here, at the same economy, at the same health, at the same security, at the same education, energy, and then you can at the same. You become one and then on the show ahead of Omampenyin address now what they ever ban. And I think so. Doom so. Is it back again? And now me can analyze a traffic light, disco light. Say doom na eso any. Say doom na eso any. Say doom na eso any. Is Doom so back? Any questions that you be great cool. Any ECG for our questions I will say answer. But the discuss some remember Isaac and shall see expectations from the State of the Nation's address. Isaac, hey, you tell my opinion. This will not be the first time I tell my opinion. Address on the State of the Nation. But what should we expect?
Nana, Mamicha, Uti Fonina. Na Mincha, His Excellency Nana Ado Danko Akufo-Addo, the President of the Republic of Ghana. Na Mincha, the Vice President Alhaji Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. Nejuma pa omoye edesum oman Ghana. Na Mincha Miami MP, Honorable Dakwa Newman. Neda. I think Neda announced 2 days ago was the International Women's Day. Inti Mamifa Kunya Isunami wish all mothers and women in Ghana a happy International Women's Day. Na Misho Munkran said Jumar pa omoye edesum oman Ghana na omonkoswa na omonye. Honorable Dakwa Newman Asia market women ne opinion leaders omoye mba ewo constituency onom. Ebo mo to commemorate and as celebrate the World Women's Day. Na honom no so adwendwen and as adwentwa ifri women no honom in making sure say at least oman and okan kwesa out no be fa into mapefra inti ma member na baso ewo de yen obi yeso na osaso so ma se ewo djuma omoye o market no mu ni djumedie bia omoye no afi ma member issue no so enne nyame adoma the President of the Republic of Ghana ebe address nation no as constitution demands say emra ehye no say ehun behia say the starting of every year no and as every period no ehun behia say obekọ parliament no de na numu nsem akwakotudwa na eno na obeba as a law abiding individual and a president no obeba on that word no nti ene expectation no very very positive in yama me hwe nim even though say I've not been able to have the speech, you know, but as usual, as a communicator, as a party member, you know, we're able to deduce where the direction and focus of the government. And
what will be the direction and focus?
First of all, you expect us about coronavirus, to assure Ghanaians now what the steps our government are taking so far as the reducing and answer yes, so coronavirus, about 600,000 persons about my Ghana just to help us to make sure that at least you be injected against the coronavirus. To be sure say he's going to come out with measures our government is taking to make sure that at least coronavirus and bit me as also that is the first aspect. The second aspect I actually name say obitimi akasa fa ho the agri sector. The vision of the president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo and the MPP no is clear to make sure say you be boa ama economy no and as a country no are industrialized. Need to say a bit to achieve this industrial vision and another Dankwa Akufo-Addo ni ba omia ewo for my Ghana now. Then the agri sector have a key role to play, and that is the main reason why the first term of Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo introduced the planting for food and jobs to make sure that at least raw materials will be available to support the industry. It's about one district, one factory now. So I'm expecting that the president will continue on that tangent. Because the ultimate year, first 4 years, and the general so are going to afford to Obama now over 500,000 people supporting. So we're expecting, say, at least this vision of one district, one factory, you know, youth, no, so we're expecting, say, he's going to talk about the agri sector, the government focus in supporting agri sector, no, the agri business and the value chain. No, he expects to say he's going to touch on that. Then he was also going to link it to the industries. Companies be to come and set up. What are going to be the incentives, the benefits as individual or outside our person back Ghana investor one? What are going to be some of the packages? And to be expecting, say he's also going to touch on that. Then the already existing one district, one factory now in the first 4 term. No, the direction and the government vision in making sure say be other factories and so the president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Then on education. On education is very key. So share your first 4 terms the and your senior comrade Napo in the educational sector. Emma on Ghana, the free SHSR 2016 Toma Ghana for we promised Ghanaians on Ghana for to Obama 2016 and Jina Honum achieve in our first term. No, we expect to say government and better direction on that. How do we continue that? Is the government ready to put in some money to make sure say at least that sector, no, the free SHS will continue? We expect to say the government to touch on it. Then also in the educational sector, so in this era of corona, IBA starting rolling out schools as schools economy. What is the government's commitment in making sure they supporting the government education sector and also even the private sector? We expect instead the president will touch on that. Then just to make sure at least summarizing me and so then also on the issue of parliament, the president has at any given point in time has touched on the composition of parliament. That this 8th parliament is a parliament that they are not supposed to build consensus in making sure that at least government policies we get a buy-in from our brothers on the other side, which is the NDC, to be able to support the business of the government, to be able to support the vision of the government. I'm sure he's going to also touch on the fact that he needs the collaboration of all parliamentarians, being it NDC, MPP, to make sure the interest of Ghanaians, the interest of Mother Ghana, to make sure say you be trying to pay fry, you be calling him, you be tumpono. That vision is achieved. I'm sure say he's also going to retreat to that fact to make sure say at least parliamentarians the collective interest of Ghanaians is to make sure say Ghana ebekoso. So if any policy comes from the government sector and minority and majority discuss, and the vision is to support or to help the ordinary Ghanaian within the shortest possible time, they should be able to approve that policy so that the government can be able to act. Into this are some of the dynamics that I'm also looking say at least the president will talk on.
Okay, Chris Dugan. And then your expectations when you saw the one sell and net on the Bekasa, and then your expectations.
First and foremost, Mamichia Ghana for Amunia Brown. Yeah. NDC for more Ghana Fananina. And leadership and can the leader of our party, John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency. And they will know production teams.
Week.
I think I was saying Ghana for Enya Super Nenti. And somewhere every week we know. The kind of revelations are ever out.
This week.
I'm telling you, Ghanaians will be shocked to the bone marrow. Because Katasumo Masubi and Ekoso last year, Yakao Muse and in the elections, the reality will come out this week. I know why I'm saying that. And then, Oman Penny, a constitutional mandate say Oba. Now, I'm the state, the true state of our nation. We are now we are a kind budget. And no crampono say no kind by the standing orders of Parliament. Sanipani Fatah, and do what I got. The revelations I ever week we know. It will be shocking. Now you see, many Americans say they are 1 million votes. I have 500,000 votes. So the higher the monkey climb, the more the bottles is exposed. Yeah, 1 million votes. And they acquire better 2 million and 3 million. After wobbling and stealing, you are now talking about 500,000 votes. And that is amazing. State of the Nation's address. Look, Mampani Akufo-Addo, how pretentious he can be. But a view of what pretender in ye, there was all kind of crime. Me expect to say the true state of the country about corona. Death toll. And nipa dodo a omo through corona. And then me can say omo da paso. Omo ICU. What may you restrictions now was what they are to. He should tell us whether the restrictions are really working or not. I'm expecting President to come and tell us this truth and nothing else. And I know, so when you're mine, the President has been unmasked about restrictions, and this car you misappropriated about this pandemic. When you say President say restrictions, beaches, nightclubs, funerals, and that there was a course of restrictions no me buana. And right then I see a pam minka bu sefoni yo then I see say pass o mampani we nis na asamo a work na ye adwuma na restrictions no e ye adwuma na beaches and a shut down kan kwala na omo ko beach kwala 20 a baye omo I can't remember the number omo ahwe mu nkwanne no say your person ya shut beaches me down who say kan kwala na access there to see him.
Now, Oberso Mambenya then found.
Let me say, me just say restrictions,
So what do you want the president to do?
You don't say when you speak, when you put restrictions, you make sure that you put measures in place.
But there's a police. I was a police for your
Why? When apart from IGP, when I hear the chairman of police council and your vice president, and it is a police, you have no restrictions. No more. I was so woman here, no more money here, whom will I blame? Is it not the chairman of police council and IGP? And are they not present cronies? And no money president So what are you talking about? I am making Zuga. Me making sure say restrictions. No, do I have power to command? And you post a Juma obey.
Into then of some opinion.
And let me say, look why. I was say one making sure say or more I was almost here, man. Almost so. Now who kasana wan kasa wunim reswa omanpanina was in social distance na dia woye the campaign people saw it wono kasa mum restrictions no want mean so protocols are what they are told in the show. A better than at Mamufo, until I say he has been unmasked once again. Sika Corona wins is so fast to buy what Jessica can mismanage stimulus packages. On my panity me teacher demand the party cronies. He will tell us. Say a Drew say you're fighting pandemic, yeah, the party colors they're fighting. I think President should be telling Ghanaians about all this. And he has no option than to say this truth. And that is why he will be exposed. It means our expertise, the President should tell us the true state of our country about the security. Look, economy is very important, but the most sensitive sector is security. When the country is plunged into insecurity, before you talk about good governance, good economy, you talk about stability. You cannot get a good economic stability when you are within insecurity. So I expect President Bakachre, the state of our security, said freedom of expression. Journalists, muka sama we are free. Temamufo, rule of law na ye juma. Nano abeto ya ye kotu ye. President should come and account. Na security ti say bambo send na eti abra na kotu aba. We are expecting him to tell us. Do we have a pass, another security apart from the state security? President should let us know. Until me expertise say, Omampani and Obama Yahoo say, you were MPP police for, and you were Ghana police for, and you were MPP soldier for, and you were Ghana soldier for, and yes, sir. Until I am Papa say Ghana soldier for, Ghana police for, taxpayers. Yegi a second kakra pure moka. And I me kwa jina touchman. Actually penny bought to pay. A community party say more. President to come and tell us. Ye two abano. Casualties are during 2020 elections. I expect President to tell us. These are the things we are expecting from him. Bishop Bibria what Jessica so bia. The first 4 years. Sika Nana Akufo president. And in the Baumia Bisia or Margino Mampani Mills need your mama 8 years. He should tell us what they have used the money for. Even though veteran I expose you, but we still want to know. I expose one. Why? The appointees now no Munama. Appointees now NDC MPs got to Obama. Oh no, I am saying that. No, me say president appointees. Omo awori tenu mu na ye joy enu na we omo buy no ye pisa on say I'm not aware but you someone to about and I mean say I'm not aware for omo to about say ohun na ekoso and someone to about mo and I say ohun na ekoso o MPs our parliament I support President Akufo-Addo the nominees I'm saying that whether the traitors decide to support it or not I am saying that apart from that betrayal, no, Ghana for to draw out. How hollow. Nakrodia any nanadu any appointees sector ministers, health minister. So I expect President Akufo-Addo to account for all these issues. He should tell us. Now one man why you fast suma contract. Ewo kutoka say a test of corona. Abra health minister enemy, attorney general, aban lawyer penny krapo enemy. He should come and tell us. These are the things we are expecting from president. Okay. Katashi said the level, the rate of corruption there. Omeno na be basuno ene Katashi said project. Yajina from your position, saying we expect this from president. So before you talk about economy, say all these things, sir, if you are not accountable to what you have done for your first 4 years, your first term, it will be difficult for us to talk about good economy. Security, you know, come and account to the people, and yet contracts are my and Kofa. I was say, what me my contract next time is an anymore. When am I contract?
Okay.
All these kind of, you know, corruption. It doesn't add up.
Okay.
And I was a president, Ebeka, Ghana for Look, that is why I'm saying that this week, revelations are
right.
Ghanaians will be shocked.
Yeah, better revelations. Isaac.
Nanayo, just some few minutes. You don't pempen so our mind anymore. I'll entreat many animal NDC said they should wake up to the reality. As I said, almost sorry. Now, serious, they are still in, I don't know, say dilemma, say still almost for say about one, they are still at Supreme Court, say I don't know. Kasani is still talking about say you are elections anymore. The more year or my Ghana Hanumina, Mama Ghana, demonstration up and down. He understands, he respects the rule of law. He allowed you to do all your demonstrations. Moko Supreme Court, Moko we still Ghana for time on. Still he allowed the process to go on. Supreme Court out, about the ruling. Still you are saying, say, about 1 or 2 years no. MPP you had the opportunity at court to prove, say you've won. But the assembly court, Moko Susama, no say 51.something% but you want a rerun of the elections. I'm expecting to say you would have at least respected Ghanaians to that extent. I'm apologize to even Ghanaians. But we wasted time when you are still talking about elections in the game. Hey, so beside the right question. Parliamentarians are on your NDC for. They all voted for the nominees. Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo. Abo Mudino. They betrayed the party and they voted. I'm expecting you to be here, holding them accountable. That they failed you. Instead of that, oh Hanam now can say man propaganda. Their usual way of propaganda. And no, you know. Ghana for him. He made mention of government restrictions. The government is the leader of the country. However, there was sectors government in my directions, on my laws, no, on my vision now, the sectors needs to work. And you ask a right question, police for honor air there. When you say coronavirus, it's a shared responsibility. I didn't also nose masks. Because you know, sir, it is obliged on you. Say a social nose mask because it is not normal times. It is one share. Who expect this now don't go for free for staff house. And how about catch us share? The authorities over here inform their company now. And yes, sir, they are supposed to ensure it. It is in Kuala Lumpur beach. Not the directive. The government said all beaches should close down. Not Omanya. It is the authorities over there. Beach from penny phone. And they say hold them accountable.
Now, Omanpenny as commander in chief, Emma order. So beaches are closed, pubs are closed. Not police for near Omejuma. And this is true about Omejuma and Yenebaye. Yehu fiti election time. Yehu all over the place. There will be a COVID-19 protocols. If the president has people they are supposed to carry out the orders of the president. Now the orders of the president is being flouted. Now the lieutenants also now Omanpenny so is not sanctioning his lieutenant. What does it say of the president?
Nana, the Okano, to some extent, me know where you're doing. You should know, say, Omayimo Wono, Obi Biara ni Honoma, not Jim Beko Benkum, I say president, and say, there are instances, apart from the Wakano, there are instances of police phobia calling churches to go and close the churches down. Because of the directive of the president. There are instances of police for beaches, there are instances on the streets. You can't say Momumpi, Momushan knows Max. Go for flout here. Police forces saw me book more Yamako prisons. So to some extent, the security services and authorities are enforcing it. To another extent, some people are also sleeping on their jobs. And this is why in your opportunity, we have to sensitize the people. Let them know, say, then you say it over here to give an alert to the security people so that they can also be up and doing. But you don't come and do it hook, line, and sinker and let it look as if the government no enyeshi or buying no enyeshi. No, it is not proper. And then you need under the NDC. Demonstration ekoso. Gabiotri. So demonstration no go koye no. To kasa ya ni penny ba kupa. This is under the NDC. You need no man. Now the Dankwa Akufo-Addo Eka say coronavirus. There should be social gathering. The NDCs lost the elections and they still hit to the street to demonstrate. You can say Momo and Komeka said, and now the Dankwa Akufo-Addo is infringing on their right. You went ahead to even do demonstration. Members of parliament or mere leaders of the NDC, they even went ahead to even do the demonstration. So if you're here criticizing the government, your leadership and the NDC have also failed the government. And you think the government, success of a government is one party. No, it's a collective interest. And not that you criticize positively. You say, no, the Dankwa Akufo-Addo Akasem, say, restrictions, say, no smash, protocols. Now NDC leaders or more parliament, they don't adhere to it. And they go on demonstration. They mass the followers and go and do those kind of things. Now, and you're not criticizing them. And you're blaming the government for it. Don't you know the leadership also falls on the parliamentarians? And they also have a constraint that they need to represent and be role models and be seen to be upholding the law because I'm not law. No. So many Chris, I think say the the usual propaganda now. My member issue of money as some okay, so far as the government support the winner to fight the coronavirus. No. And he's here saying say Ghanaians ain't from here. Under the MPP last year, the government issued a directive of water. Say more being here in so my experience be why enjoy be so I enjoy the crap as usual their propaganda. The most I enjoy be. Not so really I enjoy be. The area of Obi I enjoy be. So if you're asking say, what has the money been used for, we are telling you say it is part of the scar.
Bosiana Nanado over the last 4 years.
I'm talking about the coronavirus.
You mentioned loan.
I'll come there. So I'm not even tackling from the.
No, but coronavirus. You have about $100 million. You have $1 billion. Over the last 6 months.
No, so it's not even last 6 months. So I'm even coming to lighten issue.
So are you saying is what is being used to fix the problem with water? And I say you need to a canna water. I mean $1 billion.
Nanayo.
$100 million.
Nanayo. Say if
69 million euros.
Nanayo, my beef and my issue with Minia Chris is the fact say what can say government no in your can but if you clearly state say government need this scanning IB but you want accountability for them to account, it is a fair game. It's a fair statement. The government has supported Ghanaians and I know say say one way or the other they benefited from the coronavirus fund and that's kind of buy what are some honum electricity honum yin Obatampa supporter. The government under the Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo administration at the buyer, the constituency, in Crawford benefited market women. They were supported with money during this coronavirus. So I will say it's all the supporter Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo at the oh my God and yehuye. And I yehun problem I propaganda as usual. But if you say all these things, now the credit man. Now because somebody account it because if you Sikana or Sakaya and also say Jumana Wayana, that is a fair game. But you don't throw the dust into the eyes of the people. Like it look as if say Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo, then administration, Ghanaians are faithful, Ghanaians are grateful. It is only a grateful like say at least free water and enjoy free electricity one enjoy. Small laws say they support businesses by nurses. At a point in time, coronavirus by a necessity to mean call money man. Don't you know say government provided buses and they were being taken to work and back. All those things are things that the government did. Sometimes we need to be fair to the listeners. Now, my member issue of security. It is under the Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo and the Right to Information Bill was passed. Is this not the government that he believes in law? He believes in Right of Information Bill. It's here for NTA. This law has been there since. If I'm not mistaken, Nana, actually from Kufuor's time to Neil's time to Mohammed's time. And then Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo about pass law. This is something that if the person does not believe in accountability in law, he wouldn't have even passed. Aside that, the vigilantism law to ban vigilantism in the country and why they pass here. So if you are saying say Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo administration is security and your priority in those kind of things, it is not true.
If the president believes in disbanding vigilantism, you think so? Ujidi Pase or Mampini believes in disbanding vigilantism. Ujidi Isaac.
By their deeds you shall know. Yes,
it's the deeds of the president. Number one, vigilante people, we know. macho men belonging to NPP or more national security is here. We know. This is not something anybody can deny. There's a commission report, like I said, some national security outfit, no. Double name and Crawford and all these guys are there. Yen disbanded. Now, you have a national security, you have a standing force for the national security. We bet me actually with police, military, and then you can come. I buy say one yet. Number two, one more Mokodi is answering who some of them are, I was say you prosecute you. I buy say one yet. It's a mere person of a vigilante bill, and at the NSC. And you are being told to deal with these people on Yano. How do you say that the president is committed?
Nana,
yes, sir.
There are two things over here. There are commitment you will show to make sure, say, you come out with legal rules and regulations to enforce problem our country FAC. Before 2020 elections, 2016 to 2020, 2016 election, 2012 election, we saw the uprising of vigilantism groups in Ghana. Oh, you're a journalist. Compare 2012, 2016 to 2020 elections, the involvement of vigilantism groups in the elections. Are you going to tell me that it's the same? And hence, there is no effect on the law that was passed in 2020 elections? No! 2020 elections, how many vigilantism?
I'm judging you by the actions of the government.
I'll come there.
The actions of the government just say. Look,
no,
it even, I'm telling you,
no,
it's true.
I'll come
Go
there.
and read me back.
Go
and
Me too.
government white paper issue here. Even to the point, say, will be our boy MP assume government justified it. Say the person was provoked. And it was an act of provocation. All I'm trying to say is that it is okay to pass a law. How about one more people who have been caught in the act? What is the house where we're going? And then be that 37 I was channel 9. People have been maimed, breadwinners of their families, they've been maimed, their lives have been wasted. But not a single person has been prosecuted from some so-called National Security Task Force. No? It's beyond passing the law. How about punishment? For one more, we may breach some of these things we may breach the security of the country. How about that?
Nanayo.
Yes, sir.
So now me person may establish a fact say passing the law have an effect on our activities on the police now can say white people no more issue no. Nana, I'm telling you, you're a journalist. You know, say the policy at some aspect has been implemented. You know. It is not as if say white people are issue, you know, which you know. And I know, say, if the government is being reluctant,
don't call me as a witness.
Oh no, you know, you're a journalist, you know. And if the government is being reluctant in enforcing all the directive, so far as the commission is concerned, Parliament have the right to summon the national security officer to answer all these questions, and then we also enforce it.
All right, Chris.
I believe, sir, the government as MPP has shown leadership. Even under coronavirus, he has allowed the NDC to go on their demonstration West Ghanaians times, and at the end of the day, the Supreme Court has decided that Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo is still the president of the Republic of Ghana. And my brothers NDC should accept it.
Isaac Medase, Chris. I'm for the next 3 minutes of money around the
Nana. The person and who say as a government communicator, omo near Kasa, omo credit here with intelligence and respect. Now omo communication is sensitive to the plight of what ordinary Ghanaians. You see, isn't it ridiculous for you to sit here to say that look, NDC for call demonstration corona are spreading more.
Oh,
no, please, that has been your propaganda machinery. And then during restrictions, NDC for airport demonstration. The same restrictions. On my panya, all the restrictions by what year campaign and now what year rally one for Hagu, the MPs, the deputy minister, Carlos Ahinkura, the champion runner. Esanya be walk on the constituency, walk around. It's a chunk of form. You see nothing wrong with that. But NDC, demonstration a yɛkɔɔyɛ no ɛno emum ɛna ɛnyɛ ɛnimum ɛna yɛ break the protocols of corona. But you see, I am not surprised that he will come and sit here and say those things. You talk about demonstration, you keep on repeating about demonstration. You should be the last person to be talking about demonstration. God being so good, we have a very peaceful opposition leader. Upon all the machinations I'm here, also look, he has called his supporters to be calm. You have been making sure to follow due process. 2012. Nanado no ankasa kwagina of sport. Ena wo shaka bo mukutupa. Ena ya call for Afghanistan. E wo krom ha. Smashing people.
Nanado didn't call for.
But he was there. He was personally at
Nanado Kawa Brass.
And so no ogina hobby.
Kawa Brass Sports said they disagree with the elections. They disagree with the verdicts, but they will seek the redress in court. I had another claim.
So personally, he was there.
He was there.
Did you see President Mama in the street? One who President Mama was street so. You have two abawi and one who President Mama street so. One who President Mama street so. Was it oh ya court Supreme Court and the court akasa look judgment you throw last year. Supreme Court judgment you throw last year.
Chris, you can say that.
Me see judgment way last year, and I'll tell you.
You can say
if
that.
you push me, I'll tell you.
You can no, you can't say that. What do you mean, Kasa? Chris, David, you can say that.
What? I've said it. That's my opinion.
Well, but you can. That's my opinion.
Yes.
I know. City.
You free mo. Me see judgment way last year judgment.
That's fine.
Now no meet now station so I can me say MPP 40 seconds get here from phone. Which now was it from the police station?
We need to go.
Oh please let me finish.
No, I am also.
40 seconds get here.
Yeah, we need to go. Yeah.
Which now was it from the police station?
Nana.
This is so commander. MPP for
this insult is very serious.
They have packed their promise at court.
This insult
so
is very
they
serious.
All right. But we need to go. But we need to go. We need to go.
No, why? So why me? If
Chris, no, we need to go. But I gave you Chris.
No,
Chris. David. No, but we need to go. We need to go.
Chris,
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but we need to go. David, I'm sorry, but we need to go. First time on Okasa 6 minutes. Okasa 12 minutes.
Elections are
we need to go. Well, I'm sorry for Pabuka segment in ABC. But try what's my back. OPD is next.